take a look at this, guys. When I apply it on my skin, I'm rubbing this up close for you to see how it's just brightening the skin instantly. So I'm gonna welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Hyperpigmentation on the skin. Hyperpigmentation are any form of spots and blemishes on the skin. Now you can get these from like acne, you can get a scrape, you can get it from blackheads and whitehead, you name it. So what I'm doing for you today, I'm going to share a remedy that I personally use to keep my skin clear, free from pigmentation. This remedy is also good for your dark under eye circles, and it is also good to get rid of your dark neck. Now if you're looking for a homemade remedy, a very strong homemade remedy that will help your skin to look clean and clear, free from pigmentation, follow me to the kitchen. We're going to whip it up really quick, and at the end we're going to share a live demonstration showing you how best to use it on your skin. For this recipe, I'm going to be using a small blender. You're also going to need a strainer and a small bowl. If you do not have a blender, then you'll need a grater. My first ingredient is potato, Irish potato, that is, known also as white potato. Potato is amazing for clearing pigmentation on the skin. You can use the potato as a face wash, a face mask, a skin tightening ingredients, just amazing for the skin overall. So today I'm going to use a half of a medium potato, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to peel the potato. So remove the outer peel. Potato have this ingredient known as catecholase, and when it is chilled, really cold, if you rub that on your skin, it will not only plump the skin up, but it will also help to clear the pigmentation on the skin. This really only happens when the potato is chilled, so make sure to always chill your potato. Now the potato is peeled. What I'm going to do, I am going to be blending, so I'm going to cut mine in small pieces for easier blending. However, if you are grating, go ahead, this is the time that you grate the potato. Now once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place this in my blender. Now take a look, here we have our potato in the blender. Now reaching for my next ingredient, and here I have some baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Now you might be wondering, baking soda? Yes, when you mix baking soda with the acid from the potato, it causes a reaction which now becomes a bleaching agent, which can bleach the skin without damaging the skin. You need just a little touch, however, so around about a teaspoon of the baking soda will do. Do not overdo the baking soda. Now here we have our potato and our baking soda, and now we are going to blend. Do not add any liquid to this. The potato will produce its own liquid, so go ahead and blend. If you grate, juice the potato and extract the juice and add the baking soda. Once we're done with blending, we're going to reach for our strainer and small bowl, and we are going to strain. We're straining to make sure we get rid of any lumps that might be left over from blending the potato. So now let's strain. Toss the leftover, and now here we have our potato and baking soda mixture. We're just going to mix it. You're going to notice that it's going to be changing color pretty fast. Not to worry, that is just the two acid combined. All right, so now we are going to add one more ingredient to this, and take a look. Here I have some rose water. We're using the rose water because it's going to balance the pH level of the skin. and it also is gonna balance the two acid from the potato and the baking soda. Run about a teaspoon of the rose water. A little goes a long way. You really do not need a lot. And guess what I'm going to use? I'm going to use some coconut oil in this. The coconut oil is hydrated, and it also helps the mixture to be more friendly to the skin, meaning it will not irritate the skin once you mix it just the way I am showing you here. So we are using about a teaspoon of coconut oil, which is one of the better oil to use if you're trying to clear the skin of pigmentation. If you don't have coconut oil, however, you can go ahead and you can use olive oil or even some grapeseed oil. 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil, and now we are gonna mix. So here in our bowl we have potato, we have baking soda, we have rose water, and we also have some coconut oil. Another thing that you could add to this is a little bit of honey. Now this is ready, but before we use, we are going to cover, and we're going to place this in the refrigerator to chill, to activate that catecholase, and that is what's going to make this at its strongest point. So when you take this out of the refrigerator, now do not be alarmed. Take a look. Here we have our potato and baking soda. As you can see the color, this is the reaction of the acid from the baking soda and also from the potato. This is what makes this works for dark spots and blemishes on the skin. This is the activity that you need from the two ingredients to get rid of your spots. So do not think it's not good. Go ahead, mix it up. You can mix it up with your hands, or you can mix it up with, a spoon or something. Now you're just gonna dig in, and you're gonna apply it on your skin. Now when you apply it, you're gonna rub it especially on any area that you're getting rid of hyperpigmentation. If you have dark spot on the side of your face, rub it on it like I'm showing, your forehead. Another thing this is good for is to go under the eyes to get rid of dark under eye circles. This is also good for dark neck. You just rub the solution on the neck. This is how I use it to clear my hyperpigmentation. Now whenever I have a stubborn spot, I use this every day on just that area, and if I'm looking to brighten my entire face, neck and décolleté, then I rub it all over. So you choose whether to spot treat or to apply it all over your skin. Now once this is done, I do not normally keep it on my skin for long. I keep it on my skin for about 10 to 15 minutes or so, and then I rinse off. Now if you have sensitive skin, make sure to test this before you apply it on the skin. It's not for everyone. It's for people with normal skin who are looking to clear hyperpigmentation from the face, the neck, and the décolleté. So use this at least 2 to 3 times a week, and you're on your way to beautiful looking skin. Store this in the refrigerator, and you can keep this in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. When it is done, go ahead